Hey guys, lately I was facing with lots of hair problems like hair fall, hair thinning, dandruff, etc. So I had tried lots of different products for my hair, but nothing worked out for me. So finally, after lots of trial and error research, I finally found the product which helped me through my hair problems, which is carrot seed hair oil, which contains vitamin A, vitamin E, oleic acid and many more, which makes my hair longer, stronger and healthier and prevents from dandruff, breakage, split ends, and it's naturally pH balanced and free from harmful chemicals. The carrot seed hair oil is suitable for all men and women. You just have to apply few amount of oil on your scalp and on hair roots. Then massage it gently in circular motion using your fingertips and leave it for overnight. Then wash your hair next morning with a mild shampoo and see the difference.